Someday, when I am but a shadow on the land, a reflection on the pond, a memory of all the things I thought of or created. One day, when my words live on, when my words cast upon pages, put upon a video, someday, perhaps, they'll be heard. When the shadow walks upon the walls, through the canyons, what grows tall, down deep where the water runs, where the birds nest, the raccoons. This, for me, was fun. This was a way to express myself, to work with nature, the cattails, and all the minnows, and the fish, the raccoons, and the beavers. This is what I live for. In a woods and land that was nothing but a waste. Now, life, a dam, water, ponds, engineered by beavers who assist in how much water flows and gets contained, with fish and birds, dragonflies, mosquito eaters. This indeed is what we're here for. And in all of this, in the midst of it all, we want to play our games. We want to play our games. You don't put it down? Okay. And the idea is to create an island, a space, a place that'll last, a view, a perspective. Thoreau, Emerson, I imagine they would appreciate my version of Walden Pond. I created it, dug it out, created the mountain and the ship of salvage dreams. The village, effectively a means of showing what could be done with houses, the pond, and most of it thought up and imagined by only one. Now it's the beavers, otters, and the fish. So many things. But will you spot me in the shadows when the years are gone? Will you see me walking on the places where I've trod? Will you see the marks of man, or will they all be gone? Just depends on when you come to call. Have a beautiful day. Create a beautiful future. Believe, and you will succeed.